Kenya has dropped in the international ranking of corruption index according to Transparency International.
The professor is a custodian, I believe.
With handshake and exchange of legal documents, the University of Nairobi can finally begin developing this 1.2-acre piece of land that it bought over 4 decades ago, but has been at the center of a 2-decade court battle with the company that illegally took over the land. The breakthrough was arrived at through an out-of-court settlement, specifically alternative dispute resolution.
The Commission took into account the fact that cases in court tend to drag for so long. And in the spirit of the Constitution encouraging alternative dispute resolution, we agreed upon the request that we don't move to, we take this route.
80-year-old Alfred, a co-director of Aberdare Engineering and Construction company, was forced to surrender the title deed.
If there were developments, then I think our conclusion would have been different, because then we would have to look at the proceeds of crime that were derived from the benefit that was done here.
With the recovery of illegally acquired assets being done through out-of-court settlements, the courts still have a role to play.
It is an issue that we don't pardon completely. We are guided by the court. If the court believes that we can proceed and charge these people for forgery, we will proceed.
The purpose of Asset Recovery Authority, mostly, is when we are still in court. So what Asset Recovery Authority will do is seize the property as the case is in court. And as we argue, we cannot do anything with that property.
The university says it will develop on this parcel of land, even as the EACC and the DPP seek to recover more assets in the same way.
This land shall not be misused by anybody.
EACC says assets worth 13 billion shillings have been given back to public entities in the last 6 years. Standard gauge railway compensation is next in line.
We are going to start investigations immediately, and we are writing to the various authorities to seize all payments until investigations are complete.
Kenya has dropped 1 point in the 2018 Global Corruption Perceptions Index. Kenya attained a score of 27 points out of 100, down from the 28 it scored in 2017, taking position 144 out of 180. Leila Mohammed, NTV.